Okay, so we have a Coachman Apex Nano. It is not Arctic ready. Everything exposed underneath. So our first night we had pipes freeze, and I'm going to go over with you the things that we did to make it a little bit better, and ultimately the pipes didn't freeze. So if you have something that's not Arctic ready, I would try to find out where all your piping is and put a heater in there, try to keep it warm. So I'll show you that right now. Alright, so it's about 20 degrees here at night. And this Coachman Apex Nano is not set up for that at all. Not even close. It's a desert RV. It's not a Colorado end of winter 20 degree at night RV. We knew that. So what we did was we drained all the pipes last night, and we drained the hot water heater, turned that off, and then I drained my fresh water tank. So there's no water in this lines at all. However, I'll take you around to the other side where the water comes in. I also didn't hook up the water. So what I did was this I took off, and so there's no water. I put that away, and there's a check valve in here that froze up last night. So I had to work with that this morning, and then luckily nothing inside froze. So that I think we did pretty good. We averted nothing blew or broke inside, I think, because we took everything out, drained all the water. But another thing I found out was this wasn't locked, so it was open a little bit, and there's a bed in here. So that kind of kept the cold air in here, and this is all connected right through here. So tonight we're going to leave that open and put a heater over there and let the heat circulate right in there. Hopefully that'll help out. So last night we drained everything. We drained all the lines, and we had my daughter go to the second bunk, the top bunk, and we opened everything up on the bottom bunk, opened up the basement, put a heater in there just to see if keeping that warm all night long would help. So also here inside of this is a backflow preventer. So I have to pull this out and see if that is stuck, because yesterday it was stuck, and so this was stuck yesterday. Oh, see that? Oh, nice. Yesterday I couldn't even do that. So I'm hopeful now that we'll be able to put water in there, get water going right away. And I did leave this full of water, and I kept the heat on, which the first night I drained, so hoping that'll help too. So let's get some water hooked up and see if it works. Okay, so I have the water hooked up. Yesterday, what I did when this backflow preventer was stuck is I took this out, the screen, and I let it run for a little while, because this water coming from the ground, that has a heater wrap around it. This is warmer water, and it just filtered through here and cleaned out and melted all the ice in that backflow preventer. So now we have it hooked up. Sounds like water's going in. We're already miles ahead of yesterday. Looks good. That's good. What?
way ahead of yesterday. Now we got water coming out of there, so that's good. We are all set. Alright, so that worked. That worked for us. Pulling up that lower bunk bed and putting a heater in there at night. It's been about 20 degrees at night, so kept everything warm down there. So I gotta call it a success. Hopefully it works for you.